This is history being shaped in front of our eyes. Dramatic visuals of the Nepalese parliament being completely gutted and burned right behind me. You can see my video journalist actually showing you visuals of this entire parliament complex burning right behind me. This is the seat of democracy. This is the reality that is shaping the Nepalese politics and Nepalese government right now. And the entire parliament burning has been burnt. This is the building of parliament that has been completely burnt right now. A thick ball of black smoke all across this entire region, and cheer and sloganeering against the Communist Party, against KP Sharma Oli, and for the corruption that the government allegedly has been alleged by the youth. Well, these are dramatic visuals on your screens, never seen before in the heart of the Nepalese capital, Kathmandu. Right behind me, the entire Nepal parliament has been gutted and has been set afire by thousands of youth who are protesting against the Nepal government, controlled the protest, who has failed completely to keep the country united. And you can see these dramatic visuals of the historic parliament building of Nepal being gutted completely. The students and youth have come inside the parliament complex. Well, this is unprecedented. In your camera screens, you know, the visuals that you saw in Bangladesh, the visuals that you saw in Sri Lanka, now being repeated here with a youth uprising in Nepal, in Kathmandu, in the heart of the capital here in Kathmandu. You can see this black smoke all across the entire parliament building being gutted. Is this the end of democracy, or is this the end of the communist rule? From the Nepalese parliament here in Kathmandu, in Nepal, with video journalist Prem Singh, this is Aditya Rajkol for NDTV. Even as the Nepali youth have taken over the parliament and the entire parliament is gutted and burning, historic visuals, very unfortunate visuals really coming in, but there are still attempts at clashes. There is a group of policemen who have been cornered here by the group of violent protesters. You can see they've been cornered completely. They are trying to save their lives here, but they have been stone pelting is happening. The sticks are put on them and they are almost being lynched out here. You can see a group of policemen completely encircled by hundreds of security forces here, even though just meters away there are army personnel who are set up here. So that tells you the kind of chaos that is here outside the Nepal parliament, even as the parliament building itself is completely gutted. A group of policemen are being attacked because of the high-handedness they did yesterday, where 90 innocent, were died, and of course more than 500 innocent youth were injured as well. You can see these dramatic visuals of police being cornered out here, right outside the Nepal parliament, and clashes erupting, tempers really high, even as the clashes between protesters and police continue inside and outside the Nepal parliament.